So, got something here. I couldn't help myself. It looks so cute. What is it? Oh yes, I bought another Arcade1up thing. And you're like, well, you have a billion real arcade games and you built main cabinets. Why are you buying this Arcade1up thing? And I will answer that question. Because it's freaking cute. I love cute arcade things. Specifically, I love arcade things that have full 80s artwork. And I've actually wanted to build get a countertop game for a while. And like 5 years ago, I was one of the Kickstarters on the Peroni Piecade, and then I gave it away, or I sold it. I never actually even built it. But I'm very picky about the way things look. And I don't like I was gonna build a countertop a long time ago, and they're like $300 to get someone who builds you a MDF, and then there's no artwork, and I can build it myself, but then I don't have really a good way of cutting it or building it really cleanly. I'm not that good at cutting shapes. And this was just so freaking, I saw it, and it's just got so much good artwork, and it's cheaper than you can actually buy just the wood that people that will do the CNC router ones. And I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna buy it. The reason I want this is, look at that. It's just so freaking adorable. I mean, it looks so good. It's got the Dig Dug full artwork. Love it. Got the control panel, beautiful, and the marquee, or the bezel. I'm sorry, not the bezel. The marquee. It's really good looking. I mean, I really hate to say it. I really wanted to hate Arcade1up, but it's just so good looking. And it's cheap. This was $179 on Amazon. Shit. You can't buy a kit, let alone the artwork for that. So the reason I want to get this, though, is I want actually the centipede because I want to hack it and put Arkanoid. I want a countertop Arkanoid and Arkanoid 2. So you're like, well, why did you buy then the centipede, the Dig Dug that has joysticks? I'm just going to use the trackball for Arkanoid. I'm fine with that. And the answer is because the artwork. I have a centipede stand-up cabinet, but I don't have a Dig Dug. My first main cabinet actually was a Dig Dug, but the artwork's not there. And it just looks so good. So I have to say I really like these countertop ones, even more than I like the stand-up ones. The stand-up ones are okay. Most of the ones are pretty lame because they don't have full artwork. The Mortal Kombat does, which is why I like the Mortal Kombat. I didn't actually get the Street Fighter when it was $199. I wanted to get it for my son and make it into a main cabinet, but I didn't because I'm like, yeah, the artwork sucks. There's just the medallion side art, and that's lame. I love real full artwork. It's actually it's not as bright or as vibrant as it could be, but it's beautiful. What the hell? What is this? Okay. So it's beautiful. So I like it. And I probably, if they probably will end up getting the centipede. I wanted the centipede because I want to play Arkanoid, but I couldn't resist the Dig Dug because it's just so freaking pretty. So there you go. So here's the actual cabinet, and as you see my one concern is that I'm afraid LCD is gonna be horrible, because LCDs are horrible for arcade games. And I can see the viewing angle sucks. Let's actually just play the, I guess you can't see me playing. It's not that bad. It's small enough that the fact that it's an LCD doesn't look horrible. And the joystick issue is, and buttons are not a big deal, like on Mortal Kombat, because Mortal Kombat takes a beating. But games like Dig Dug, it's not really a big deal. I have a feeling that this will be much more better. But I actually really like this, I have to admit. The only thing no, I guess that makes sense, it's white. Sound actually is pretty nice. I don't know if it's because it's coming out of here, they use a different speaker. It seems a lot much better than the Mortal Kombat sound. That could just be my imagination, though. Here's a look at the side art. It's really nicely done. Colors are not as vivid as they could be, but for the price, I can't complain. I'm certainly going to probably modify this game to play. I would think I could probably modify the board. I have to look. I understand there's a Reddit that already has figured it out to play things like Galaga and Pengo, definitely. Even though I already have a Pengo stand-up. And I have a Galaga MAME. I own the board, so I can do this. I actually own the PCB boards for Galaga and MAME and all the games I'm going to put on here. So I can do that. So please don't say that I'm breaking copyright laws. I own the boards. The real arcade boards. But yeah, this is really nice. I just love the artwork, and for the price, it's just really well. This one actually is well done. This is, compared to, I mean, I like the Mortal Kombat, but I really like these little ones. All of them look really nice. They only have a couple. They have, I think, Space Invaders, Centipede, and Galaga. Galaga, I probably wouldn't. I really have, for some reason, I mean, Galaga's got almost full side art, but I just love the full immersive artwork. That's one of the things I loved about the '80s arcade games. I actually have arcade games that I didn't even need. Like, I can't think of which ones right now. That, you know, the main play's fine, but I just really like the cabinets because there's something about the. There's an art, oh, there you go, Art of Atari. I like the art as much as I like the games. So anyway, and that's a Robotron Legos. Yes, I got that. I don't even know where I got that. I got that like 20 years ago from someone online. I think I don't know, on eBay or whatever, but there's more Art of Atari. Atari was my favorite, both in artwork and just most of the games. I really like the Atari artwork. I think they really outdid themselves compared to other companies.